Hello students, now we will start next exercise 6.2. So see their first question. In the expression 4 by 3xz, find the coefficient of x, z and xz. First of all, see what is the coefficient. If they said now find coefficient of x in 2xy. See here, just I am taking the example. If they said find coefficient of x in 2xy, what is the coefficient? Which variable they said? Leave that variable, other full is a coefficient. See, we have to write coefficient of x. So x leave only 2y. 2y is the coefficient of x. Which variable they said? Find coefficient of which variable they said that we will leave, other all which constant are there, which variables are there, other all are coefficient. Now see here also in the expression this find coefficient of x. So first of all we will write coefficient of x. What will be the coefficient of x? X leave only, then 4 by 3 z. This is the first part. In second part they said coefficient of z. Now z we will leave, so 4 by 3x. Next they said find coefficient of xz. It means both x and z we will leave, so coefficient is 4 by 3. Clear? See this also same. In the expression this we have to find the coefficient of x square, y square and x square, y square. Same which way we have done a part, same we will write coefficient of x square is equal to, what is the coefficient of x square? Only x square we will leave, 4y square upon 5z. 4y square upon 5z. Next we will write coefficient of y square. This is the first part, this is the second part. Y square leave now, 4x square upon 5z. Now last third part is there, coefficient of x square, y square. So x square, y square, now both we will leave, 4 by 5z is the answer. Clear to all up to this? If any doubt you can ask. Next see second question. Write the following variables as powers. This given in question like this way. So we have to write these variables as a power. See here written y square, x square, y square. So here also in form of powers we have to write this 2 written that are powers. So same here also we have to write in the term of powers. See a multiply by a multiply by a, 1 2 3 time a coming, so we will write it a power 3. C 1 2 3, c also 3 time coming, c power 3. So like this way you can write these in the form of powers. Now see here 1 2 3 4 5, p coming 5 time, p power 5, q 1 and 2, q 2 times coming, q power 2. Same here also 1 2 3 4, x 4 time coming, x power 4, 1 2 3 4, y also 4 time coming, y power 4, z 1 2 3 4, z coming 4 times, z power 4. So same this way we will do this, a power 2, b power 3, c power 2. Clear to all? Next see third question. Identify the like terms in the following algebraic expression and write the coefficient of each like terms. First of all we have to see from these equations, from these variables, from these terms which are like terms. So then which like terms will come, then we have to write coefficient of the like terms. So how we will do, see here. See first question is a part, x y square z 4y square x z minus x y cube z minus 5x y square z. Now what we have to do, we have to write first of all identify the like terms. Now see which are like terms. In like terms we have to see the same variables. Here variable is x, y square z. Here x, y square z. Same. Here power of x 1, power of x 1, y power 2, y power 2, z power 1, z power 1. It means the same variables. Here see x power 1, y power 3, not same. Here y power 3 came, but here 2 was there, so it is not a like term. Here x power 1, same 1, y power 2, y power 2, z power 1, z power 1. So same, it means these three are like terms. X y square z, 4y square x z minus 5x y square z. We have to see same variables. Which constant are there, that can be any, it doesn't matter, but we have to see these variables should be same, so those are called like terms. Clear to all? Now they said find write coefficient of each like term. So first of all we will write coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, y square z in first term. Here coefficient of x 4y square z, and here minus 5y square z. Next we have to write coefficient of y, not y square. So what we will write, xz 4xz minus 5xz. Next we have to write coefficient of z. So it is xy square 4xy square minus 5xy square, means of each term we have to write. Next we will write a single term. Coefficient of this, nothing is there, any constant not, it means there 1 is there, so coefficient of 1, that is xy square z. Next coefficient of 4, xy square z. Next coefficient of 5 minus xy square z. So like this way you have to solve other all parts also, B, C and D. See next B and C part. First of all you will solve by self, then if any problem is there then you can see from the video I have solved these. Same as like A part you have to do these B and B, C and D part. This is the C part, this is B part and C part, and D part also I will. This is D part of that question. These terms given. First of all we will find like terms, then we will write coefficient. Coefficient of z is, you can see here. See now this is the D part. Their terms given, we have to write firstly like terms. These both are like terms. Coefficient of x y z square, and here coefficient of x minus 4yz square, coefficient of y x z square, here minus 4xz square. Same coefficient of z square we can write from here, coefficient of 1 and coefficient of 4. Like this way you have to solve these questions. Next see, fourth part is there. Identify the monomial, binomial and trinomial. See here, x cube plus x square y plus x. You know which are binomial, trinomial and monomial. If one equation, one term given like x cube y given only, that is mono means 1, that is monomial. If 2 given in between both plus sign is there, x cube y plus x square means 2 terms came, that is binomial. If like this way 3 terms came, that is trinomial. Now see here 1, 2, 3 terms are there, so here it is a trinomial. Here only 6x square y cube 1 term is there, it is monomial. This is a square b c cube plus z cube, it is binomial. 6x4 plus 5y plus 4x cube 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms came, so it is a trinomial. Clear to all? So like this way you have to do this part. So only one part left of this exercise, that will come in next video.